what's going on. Hi, babe. Look what we picked up today. We're going to try it out and see if we really enjoy K-Cup brewers. Hi, folks. Here we're going to do an opening. Everybody know what K-Cups are?
K-Cups.
No, that little cute cups.
Oh no. I feel like so
Let's see
cute.
what we got here. Oh, we got instructions.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, those are very important.
No. I'm lazy to read that.
Got cardboard.
Cardboard.
Oh, it's sleeping. It's laying on its side. Oh,
Why it's no green? It's a red one.
Oh, it's not coming out.
Come on. Hey, hey. It's a box. Throw away. Oh, it's a flower.
And it's in Imperial Red. Look at that.
Wow, I love red. See?
Oh, it's to make sure that you read all the instructions.
No way. It's your turn to do it.
Here we are.
Oh, it's cute.
Little safety tabs. Just throw those in here. It's so pretty.
Put on your put on your head. It's nice. I love the color.
Put some more in front here. There we go. I guess you take this out and you can take it, fill it with water.
Yeah.
Cover back on.
Like that.
Push it down. There we go.
Then where's the power?
Put
This is the power. Then this is the measuring cup. What you like?
Yep.
Yeah. Then
I guess it's down here for don't stay on that. Wastewater collection.
yes. So yeah.
So you get wastewater or whatever you spill.
Yeah. It's sure. Bucket.
There you
Then
go.
like that. Then
K-Cups in there.
yeah. Where is your K-Cups, babe?
Well, we gotta clean it. Imagine you have to clean this first and probably have to run some hot water, just run some water through it a couple times to take any filaments.
Yeah, it's your turn to clean that. It's not my turn. I'm lazy. Yeah, this is the butter. Yes, yeah.
You set them in there. I'm not gonna pierce it because it'll pierce it. And I don't want to pierce it. Oh!
Yeah, okay.
Folgers in your cup.
Yeah, how many times this one you use?
You're only supposed to use them once.
Really?
Yes. We'll look into that. I know some people try to use them twice.
Yeah, this one guys. So how many pieces this week?
60 of them in there.
60! Wow, how much?
They come out to like 40 something cents each.
Yeah, how much is one box?
26 something bucks, but you divide it out, it's like 45 cents or 44 cents a piece.
Wow, it's 60 pieces. Wow, it's
So we'll be back a little bit after I get this in a quick wash and
Okay.
we'll see you then.
Binili namin itong K-Cup, guys. Pumili din ako ng flour. Ayan, ilalagay ko dun sa office ko. Then, bumili din ako ng a little map because may map ako before itinapon niya. Ayan. Ito, diba? See? So, While kailangan niyang linisin ito para makita natin kung paano itatry niya to. Lilinisan muna niya. Ayoko maglinis. Tamad ako. Siya ang maglinis niyan. Yan, di ba? See you later, guys, after niya malinis. Okay?
Alright, folks, here we are. We got a nice brilliant imperial red is actually what it calls out of the box. So we're going to put it on the counter and fill this thing up with water. But first, let me get rid of Mr. Coffee here that's been a real nice guy. He's brewed many cups for me.
It's the old one.
Yeah, I don't know how old it is. It works great.
You need to go away.
We need to modernize it, so here we are. We put Mr. Keurig in here.
Oh, it's in my
Ooh, it matches the toaster.
Yeah, it's a match. You found it?
So we're gonna somehow find a way of plugging this in safely without electrocuting everybody. Because, you know, we don't want to do that. It's not our goal today. Maybe tomorrow, but not today. Just plug it in already.
Okay.
So let's take this metal cover off. Fill it with some cold water. There's a max line here, it says.
Where? Max. Okay, maximum.
And I say close enough. I kind of like the idea of this because the other ones that you store water and you couldn't wash the things out.
Oh, okay.
Just sits there. It sits there. It's got a nice little mug here. Oh, we'll use this nice one right here. It's a Starbucks. It says lift the handle up. Oh wait, turn it on.
Yes.
Lift it up.
Yeah.
And push the small one. Could take up to 4 minutes, it says, to heat, and then it'll disperse some hot water. You can hear it running. But it says up to 4 minutes, so we'll just sit here and twiddle our thumbs. While you're waiting, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to us. We have time. You have time to do it. Go ahead. Now we can wait. Did you hit it yet? It's so easy. Just a little click of the mouse.
You post the viewers to post the like.
Yes, to see more videos like this, starring
Here more videos.
Goofball. 4 minutes. It's going to take 4 minutes. It's already sucked in the water and it's going to heat it up.
All done?
Have you watched any of their other videos? I'm sure you have. If not, why don't you go ahead and give those a watch after this and hit that like button and make sure you subscribe and you'll get more.
More videos of Franklin.
Uh-oh, why are all the lights flashing? I don't know. I have to look at the book. Oh, I don't know what it means. Oh, I'm confused. I think I just got to lift the handle up. Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, folks, we're just going to run some water through it as the cleaning procedure is. Just going to use that cup.
Oh, it's a cleaning. Ah, that's why. Okay.
Any settlements or whatever in the tubes, you know, it's manufacturing. They don't use dishwasher. There it goes.
Okay. It's done. Okay. Go away.
So I'm going to brew a cup of coffee. I am going to promote this because I love Folgers.
I love Starbucks.
It's my best, it's the best flavor. I use the medium roast.
But me, I like Starbucks. See, yan guys. Ayan. Put in, and what is that?
Cake up in there. I'm going to push for a cup.
What is the post this?
For cups.
Okay. Then wait a little minutes.
Yeah, wait a couple of minutes here. It's bubbling, boiling.
Okay. Okay, you drink that coffee, babe. Okay, yeah, guys. See?
There it is.
Oh, yeah. Okay, wow. It's a good measuring. Yeah, it's a exact cup.
There you go.
Okay. All set? It's only
Take this
one?
out.
Really?
You can recycle these plastics, just what's cooled off. You peel it off, and you can recycle this in your recycling bin if you have that. Me, I don't think I want to throw this in the trash. It's kind of warm. Fear of melting, starting a fire while at work. I'm just going to leave it in the sink. I'll get rid of it when I come home.
Okay.
Well, there we go.
You take her that. Okay.
Now, for those with a travel mug like I have, you notice that it doesn't fit. So they say,
Oh, yeah.
take this out,
Oh, it's good.
and you place it in there.
Oh.
I'm just going to run some water through it,
Okay. Okay, babe?
and then that will work.
Okay.
So again, new toy to play with. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe, and you'll see more videos of us acquiring and doing different things in this world. All right, folks. There's some people out there that will use a K-cup and make a cup of coffee, and then you'll use that same K-cup over for another cup of coffee. You're not supposed to. And I did that just to see what the difference is. And as you can clearly see, at least I can, that this is dark, just like coffee like it should be. And this is a little lighter.
Oh, yeah.
I imagine that
Yeah.
this one has more of the caffeine and the flavor than this one.
Oh, yeah. I see the differences.
I am just going to use 1 K-cup per cup.
Okay.
No matter if it's a big cup, small cup, or whatever. Because I imagine this one it's probably as tasty, but not as tasty as this one will be. All right. Just a little helpful hint for people that like to reuse them more than 1 cup. Don't. Bye for now.
Bye-bye, guys. Thank you so much for watching.